Here are 3 quick tips for using social media in your job search. Employers and job seekers alike are turning to social media as a new outlet to market themselves. Here are just a few tips that you as a job seeker can use to find your next opportunity. Tip 1. While most people think LinkedIn when it comes to job search and social media, don't overlook Twitter and Facebook. On Twitter, many companies and recruiters have created accounts that tweet jobs. Online job resources, such as us.jobs, also tweet opportunities from their website. Check out the us.jobs Twitter account to see a live example. Many companies, such as Home Depot, have created a career-specific Facebook page. These pages may have more real-time content, such as upcoming events and recruitment opportunities. Plus, they showcase more of the company's corporate culture. Tip 2. Consider using hashtags on Twitter. Hashtags are essentially keywords or topics preceded by a pound or hashtag sign. When a hashtag sign is included with a word without a space between, it becomes clickable and also links to all tweets using that hashtag. For example, many recruiters and employers will use hashtag jobs in their job-related tweets. Other common hashtags include hiring and career. Consider watching industry conference hashtags as well. For instance, if you're a job seeker in the UK interested in social media, you may consider following hashtag SMM12, the Social Media Marketing 12 Conference, to find people, follow information, and discover networking opportunities. Tip 3. On your social media profile, consider choosing vanity profile names. For example, on LinkedIn, your public profile link might look something like this. That's a long, complicated URL. To make it more simple and easily found, go to Edit Profile. Under the blue Improve Your Profile button, you will see the link for your profile. Click Edit. From the Edit Your Profile page, on the top right section of the page, under a section titled Your Current URL, you'll see a link, Customize Your Public Profile URL. Now you can share this link on your resume. Let us know what social media job hunting tips you use by commenting below. I'm Lisa Whitman with Direct Employers.